How do I fix my Xfinity Wi-Fi light blinking?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue some of you might have encountered: the blinking Wi-Fi light on your Xfinity router. We know how important a steady internet connection is, and that's why we're going to guide you through the process to solve this issue. Let's dive in.
What does the blinking light mean?
The blinking light on your Xfinity router is usually a signal that something is not working properly. This could be a hardware issue, a connection problem, or something as simple as the router trying to establish a connection with your devices. It's important not to panic. There's usually a simple solution.
Simple router restart.
One of the simplest solutions to many tech issues is a restart. So, let's start with that. 1. Unplug your router from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds. 2. Plug it back in and wait for the router to restart. This may take a few minutes. 3. Check the Wi-Fi light. If it's no longer blinking, congratulations. If it's still blinking, move on to the next section.
Checking the cables and connections.
Sometimes, the issue may be with the physical connections. 1. Make sure all the cables connected to your router are plugged in securely. Loose cables can cause connection issues. 2. Check your coaxial cable. It connects your modem to your service provider. Make sure it's not damaged and is connected securely on both ends.
Factory reset your router.
If the above steps didn't solve your issue, the next step is to perform a factory reset. Warning: this will erase your current settings and restore the router to its original settings. 1. Locate the reset button on your router. It's usually a small hole labeled Reset. 2. Using a paperclip or a similar object, press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds. 3. Release the button and wait for the router to restart.
Contact Xfinity support.
If the issue persists after all these steps, it's time to reach out to Xfinity support. They can help troubleshoot the problem or schedule a technician visit if necessary. And that's how you can fix a blinking Wi-Fi light on your Xfinity router. Remember, patience is key when dealing with tech issues. And if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We hope this guide was helpful and that you'll be back online in no time. Thanks for watching.